face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. If you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. In this video I have an application for you. Yes, this application is legit and it has been paying people just for sharing photos, just for sharing posts on this application. Yes, you make money by sharing photos, sharing posts, anything that you think of, and you make money out of it. A lot of people are wasting time on Facebook, making money for the Facebook developer, Facebook owner, without them earning a penny. But this application makes you money just like Facebook, to post and earn money. So this application, as I said, is legit one, and sorry, it's legit and it really pays. So this is how it looks like. Here is the home page. And guys, you don't need to connect a VPN because this application has a lot of payment methods, so there's no need for you to connect your VPN or anything like that. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling well today. So this is it. You just make money by posting. So this is the home button. So if you want to, you can also search. You can search for pages. Sorry, you can search for posts. You can search for pages to follow as well. You see, I just joined today and it's really cool. These are the pages I've joined so far. I can join more. Click on follow, and then in here you are going to see, oh sorry, I clicked the wrong place. In here you are going to see your revenue, what you've accumulated so far. As I said, I joined today and I've earned $6.29 so far. Just today I've earned $6.29 today. And the good thing about this application is that the minimum amount you can earn per post is $0.29. Let me show you here. Let me go to, yes, as you see, these are what I've shared so far. As you see here, the last one, you see I earned $0.29 for that one. And if you move on to the next one, you see that I earned $0.30 for that one. And then the third one, I earned $0.29, and you see that the fourth one, I earned $0.34. But the fifth one, you see I earned $0.61, and then the sixth one, I earned $0.66. The seventh one, I earned $0.29, and then the last post of the day, I earned $0.53. You see, the amount you earn per post depends on the actual post that you are posting. It's like if you are posting an image which contains an article, a long article, that is going to boost your earning. And also the country that you are in also boost your earning. So this is an advantage application for the people who are in the United States. You can make at least $2 per post. That is real. You can earn $2 per post, and the minimum threshold is $75. and I think you can get this within 2 months or 3, because if the minimum amount you can earn is 0.29, let me get my calculator. You see, $0.29, and I think the month it's in, I think we have 7. Sorry, let me clean this. My mathematics is not good. So 7 times 4, the month are in 4, so it will be 28 days. So let's say 0.29 times 28. That means you are going to get 8. No. Actually, the thing is, you can post 8 times per day. 8 times per day. Yes, 8 times per day. So imagine each post is 0.29. Then we multiply it by 8. That will give us 2.32, and then we also multiply this by the month, which is 28 days. Then we get 64. So within 2 months you can get more than, let's calculate, 28 plus 28. As I said, my mathematics is very poor. It will give us 52, and then we multiply it by 2.23. So within 2 months you are going to make $124.88 within just 2 months, which is sick, which is really sick. This application, as I said, is legit. I will leave a referral link under the description, so make sure you check that when doing the registration. Make sure you enter the referral link to get $3 startup bonus. Yes, if you use the referral link, you get $3 startup bonus, and then you continue with that. And the good thing is that you can also refer to earn more. Let me click here. As you can see, invite your friends to Kiki, and for each sign up, Kiki gives you 50 points. So each person that signs up will give you 50 points, and those points can be redeemed for cash as well. And then you can also create your own page where people will find this page and then also post in it, which also boosts your earning as well. So if you want to sign up with this, make sure that every post that you post should contain a long article, and please, you should be creative. Don't just go to Google and copy something and come and post it here. No, they will detect and block you. Be original. You can copy something from Google. You can rebrand it, make it your own, and then you publish it here to be yours, because they don't like copy and paste in here. So guys, make sure you note that. And then you look at some things about them. Does Kiki have a proof of payment? Creators love Kiki. Okay, this one says, I have enjoyed using Kiki, and Kiki has paid me my first check. Okay, that's good. I have received $75, which make me really happy. It is highly motivating for me to create better and better content. So guys, this is more like a social media. It is more like YouTube. It is more like Facebook. All you have to do is you post better content, and then people will give you fire. As you can see here, people are giving fire. So the moment you are giving fire, then your payment or your money is going to be double. So as we were reading, where were we? Okay, so this one also says, how do I collect my money from money I earn on Kiwi? So when you reach the $75 threshold, click the purple receive button. Depending on how you wish to be paid, you will be asked to enter your information to receive $75. So these are the payment method, which is really fair. They have PayPal, they have Bitcoin, Western Union, debit or credit, and Google Pay. And even for the Indians, you have your payment method here. So hooray to you. The Paytm is here, so you can also use it to collect your money after you reach your threshold. This application, as I said, is really legit. And how can I help other publishers to earn? You don't need this one, but let's click on it to read. Join their page, fire up their post, and share their post with your friends. That's cool. Let's check about this. Kiki pays users a fixed amount of 0.25 to $1 per picture you upload, and as $1 to $2 per 400 words. As I said, if you want to be successful in this program, you need to upload a quality image, and then the article that you write, I mean the description, make sure you have enough description to get more money. As I said, the more article you write in the description, the more money you also get. So if you write like short article in the description, your payment will be less as well. So take note of that. A lot of people do not read this, but at least you being Yabs Tech subscriber, you've gotten the chance to know this. What happens after I reach $75 threshold? You can request your payment from Kiki, and Kiki team will review your account in 24 to 72 hours to make sure you have followed Kiki policy. If your account is approved, you receive your $75. So as I said, don't just go to Google and copy picture and come and post it in here. No, if you download a picture, make sure you edit it, you rebrand it. Like, even if the picture does not have a name, make sure you edit it and add your Kiki name. Like, maybe I registered as I am Nanayao, so I'll edit it and put the I am Nanayao there, so that when it's time for reviewing, they will see that no, this picture belongs to me. So they will approve me. Something like this. Let me show you something like this. I have this. I downloaded this picture from Google Play Store, and very good. You see Francis. Yeah, there's Francis here, but there was no Francis when I downloaded the picture. But to make Kiki know that this is my brand, this picture, I created this. I personally took this picture and uploaded it here. I have to write my name in here so that Kiki will know that this picture is for me. And as you can see, latest Ghana fashion style 2020. So you see my description or my article is somehow long. You see this article is somehow long, and I got $0.53 for this post. So as I said, you can post 8 times per day. 8 times per day. So I think I've posted 8 times, and my day my post for the day is over. Now let's head to the Google Play Store and read some reviews about them. Okay, so this one says, this is the best blogging app ever. Express your thoughts, ideas, arts, opinions, feel everything. Whilst you are enjoy using this application, at the same time you will be rewarded. Kiki was the best, and it keeps evolving every day. More power, Kiki, and I continue to support this application. That's a good one. This one also totally amazing, one and only app that I use daily for blogging. That's good. This one also says legit and paying app. I got my payment in no time. That is a good one. congratulations to you as well. So guys, this is it. This is Kiwi, or sorry, this is Kiki. As I said, I will leave the referral code under the description, so make sure you copy it and paste it whilst doing the registration to get $3 bonus for free. So guys, this is what I have for you today. If you love this channel and if you love this video, you want to see videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. It motivates me to go and do researches and bring you the results. But if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. Guys, this is what I have for you today, and hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye.
Face, tell me that you love me.